Hi everybody, those of you new to the channel, I'm Teresa APRN and I want to discuss APRN with you. Guys, we saw a very nice technical breakout today that I think is going to continue. So anyways, nothing I say is financial advice. Let's get started. So looking at the daily one-year chart, you can see that both of our lower moving averages, the 13 and 20, have crossed below the 48 and 200 SMA. However, surprisingly enough, the 48 SMA is still over the 200 moving average. So what I would like to see here is for the 13 and 20 to curl back to the upside and for us to fill this gap. Currently, APRN has a gap filled from $4.68 to $5.59, guys. So ultimately, I would like to see that gap filled, and then we can continue that move to the upside. 248 is a key resistance level here, so I'd like to see us hold that. And once we get through, guys, I think that we are going to make significant moves to the upside. Again, if the market's green tomorrow, I do believe this continues to go up. So keep it on your radar. Looking at the daily chart, as you can see, the 13 is still holding above the 48 SMA, and now the question is will it dip below and then come back to the upside? It's very hard to say right now. However, this chart is looking very bullish and looking like this uptrend wants to continue. So it will definitely be on my radar tomorrow. So this run was not triggered by any sort of move or news pending in any way. This was solely technical, guys. It had hit its bottom and it is now reversing and moving to the upside. Today we were up 22 cents or 10.14%, and we're up an additional 4 cents or 1.43% in the after hours. In the past week, we're up a total of 7.83%, and as you can see, we did make that nice double bottom. And in the past 3 months, we are down $1.38 or 35.75%, and in the past year, down $6.03 or 70.86%. And even more shockingly is over the past 5 years, we are down $75.74 or 96.83%. Guys, that's absolutely crazy, and the short interest is 39.16% in APRN. So clearly, as you can see, this is very heavily shorted, and I think we are just beginning what should be the start of a very, very nice move up. Currently, based on the volume, it is saying that there's only 0.74 days to cover. And guys, there are still 450,000 shares available at a cost to borrow somewhere between 25.98 and 27.35%. The short volume ratio has been between 45 and 67.96%, and today it was at 55.04%. Now, guys, as you can see by the failure to delivers due tomorrow is 11,601. That went up for a couple days, but then kind of slowed down until we get to about 2 weeks from now with what we have due. It got up to almost 1 million FTDs on September 30th. So guys, remember this is T-minus 35, so that would be about 2 weeks from today, or 2 weeks from tomorrow will be the 14th. So about 2 weeks from Thursday is when you get to that 997,920, where it goes up progressively. So these need to get covered. As far as the ones due today, most likely, guys, those, or tomorrow rather, most likely those have already been covered. You know, they may still have a couple thousand shares, but clearly there is more than enough for them to borrow. In about 2 weeks is when they really get screwed if they haven't covered those positions, which based on the price action, and I know that people that have probably been holding didn't sell for a loss, but I'm sure there's plenty of people that did. But guys, this could be a huge opportunity for a massive short squeeze potential. Again, short squeezes are very, very hard to come by and very rare because, as we all know, this market is very well controlled and it takes a complete loss of power on the market maker's behalf to do that. However, given a short interest of 39%, it is certainly possible. Anyways, pay attention to Blue Apron. To Apron tomorrow. Blue Apron. For those of you who don't know, the actual stock's name is Blue Apron, and the ticker is APRN. So pay attention to that tomorrow. And guys, I wish you all a lot of success if you plan to be trading this stock. Have a great night.